Good thing I didn't bring the large format. My bellows would be flying everywhere. Got the RB67. Well, I was gonna wander around and try to photograph glowing branches and whatever leaves are still clinging to the branches. It's pretty dangerous out there. I really don't want a tree coming down on me. I might just take a couple of shots here. Try to use slowest shutter so something else just fell. Did you hear that? Unreal, this tree just came down. What a shame. I think I actually have a video of photographing this tree. I'll have to dig it up in my channel. It's a very, very windy day. So if you guys are out photographing in wind, strong wind, be really careful, especially if you're around trees. Big old trees like these ones. Oops, sorry about that. Windy, man. Right, that was 8 seconds with the red filter. That's cool. Gotta get a shot of this. Seriously, will you guys cut that out? Jeez. Wet. I really don't know what to meter with. I've got my Minolta 4 with the 5-degree spot meter. I can't really accurately read anything, so I'm just going to take a reading off of the grade card. Second at 8.5. Half second. 8.5. Well, I thought I would end it here. That was hair raising, and I really don't recommend that. If you are going to do photography under those conditions, it's probably wise to have life insurance. Let somebody know where you are and wear a hard hat. Anyways, I am going home now. Before a branch decides to fall on me. See you guys in the dark room. I can see images.